Unraveling the Mystery. Active versus passive voice in present continuous tense. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to crack open the complexities of the present continuous tense and delve deeper into the comparison between the active and passive voice. Our focus will be understanding how and when to use each, ensuring that your grammar is as fluent and versatile as a native speaker's. First things first. What is the present continuous tense? It's a tense that describes actions happening now, at the present moment, or around it. In the active voice, it's formed using the present form of the verb to be, is, am, are, and the ing form of the main verb. For example, I am making a cake, or they are playing football. The magic happens when we convert these sentences from active to passive voice. The focus shifts from the doer to the action or the recipient of the action. The structure for passive voice in present continuous tense is subject plus is, am, are plus being plus past participle of the main verb. Let's convert our earlier examples. Active, I am making a cake. Passive, a cake is being made by me. Active, they are playing football. Passive, football is being played by them. The passive voice in present continuous tense is usually used when the action is more important than the doer, or when the doer is unknown or unimportant. For instance, if you hear the sentence, "A new bridge is being built in our town," the emphasis is on the action of the bridge being built, not on who is building it. We've journeyed from understanding present continuous tense to converting active voice to passive, and finally, to when to use passive voice. Remember, mastering active and passive voices in English not only enhances your grammar but also the flexibility of your language use. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we promise you'll have these grammatical nuances down pat in no time. Till our next video, happy learning, and goodbye.